Okay, today we're starting Chapter 7, which is over equations. And this first one is Lesson 1, titled Equations. We're going to be solving addition and subtraction equations mentally today, and solving multiplication and division equations mentally today. So let's take a look at this first side. When you replace a variable with a value that results in a true sentence, you solve the equation. That value for the variable is the solution of the equation. So what we're going to do is it's going to tell you things like, is 3, 4, 5 the solution to a plus 7 equals 11? All you have to do is tell me which number is going to fit in for a. So I know it's not going to be 3 because 3 plus 7 is 10. So our answer is 4. 4 plus 7 is 11. Our next one is g minus 7 equals 3. So you need to figure out what you plug in for g to make that true. And in this case, it's going to be a 10. The next one, it gives us 3 to choose from. So 9 plus what equals 17? Is it going to be 7, 8, or 9? And your answer is going to be 8. 9 plus 8 is 17. This next one, we have x minus 11 equals 23. So we have to figure out what minus 11 is 23. If you are having a hard time figuring out in your head, you can always take this and add it on over here, and you'll get an answer of 34. Now we're going to move to solve multiplication and division equations mentally. So multiplication and division equations are solved in a similar way to addition and subtraction equations. So we're just trying to figure out if it's going to be 3, 4, or 5 plugged in for this. So 18 equals 6z. Remember, a letter and number next to each other means multiplication. So 6 times what is 18? And your answer is 3. Here, 8 divided by what equals 8? Your answer is 1. 4x equals 32. So 4 times what equals 32? 4 times 8. So our answer is 8. 10y, that means you're multiplying 10 times what equals 90? That is 9. Our next one, 22 divided by y, it equals 2. So we have to figure out what goes in for y, and that would be 11. And our last one, they give you a number to choose from. What divided by 7 equals 3? It's not 20, it's not 22, it is 21. And that's all you have to do.